Hi lovely people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be showing you another way to prepare your kokonte without lumps. Here we have our cassava flour, so I'll go ahead and mix the cassava flour with some water until it is very smooth and it reaches the consistency that I want. This method is similar to how we prepare banku in Ghana. Now that we are done mixing the cassava flour with the water, we'll go ahead and place it on fire. This is the consistency that we want. After placing this on fire, we'll stir it continuously in this manner until it begins to thicken. As we can see, our batter is becoming thicker, so I'll use these iron bars here to hold the pot so that it can be stable for me to stir. This has thickened completely, but it's too hard, so I'm going to add more water to it and cover it for some time. Then I'll come back and continue stirring. This will help to make it softer. After covering it for some minutes, I'll continue stirring until it is well mixed and it is ready. Our kokonte is now ready. If you want it softer than this, you can still add water, but this is okay for us. So we enjoyed it with some palm nut soup. You can enjoy this with any soup of your choice. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, comment and subscribe for more videos. Press the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Thank you.